Last year, Sigma released an 18 to 50mm f2.8 APS-C lens for Sony E-mount cameras. We made an entire video testing that lens out with the, at the time, new Sony ZV-E10 camera, and we raved about this lens. It was super compact, affordable, and an awesome, versatile lens. And now, if you're an X-mount user, I'm happy to say they've released this lens for Fuji X-mount cameras as well. Today we're going to revisit what this lens can do, some of its characteristics, and also show a lot of sample photos and videos from this lens to show you the quality of the glass that Sigma has come out with. Let's get right into it. The Sigma 18 to 50 f2.8 DC-DN contemporary lens is the first mirrorless exclusive APS-C format standard zoom lens from Sigma. It's an incredibly compact lens that's going to offer the full frame equivalent of a 27 to 75mm focal range. The dimensions of the lens are 2.4 by 3 inches in size and weighing 285 grams or 10 ounces. It also has 7 rounded blades, 13 elements and 10 groups, with 1 SLD and 3 aspherical elements as well. It's made of a thermally composite material, giving a solid build while also letting it maintain a lightweight. In terms of performance of this lens, I loved using it for my everyday do-it-all lens. As you can see from some of the portraits we were able to take, it both works as a wide-angle lens and as a telephoto lens towards its longer millimeters, making it both a viable portrait lens as well as a landscape lens. Having it be around the range of that 27 to 75mm, it's going to be the equivalent of your much needed in your kit 24 to 70mm lens. As for video, once again, you have an extremely versatile option here that is lightweight enough to fit on any gimbal that you might have in your arsenal. Because the lens is so lightweight, even on a gimbal, zooming in from 18 to 50mm won't disrupt the weight of your gimbal because it is such a light lens. This makes it great for an option for any on-the-go filmmaker who needs a gimbal for some smoother shots. Having used this lens both on Sony and now Fuji X-mount cameras, I have to say it has got to be one of the most versatile and easy to bring around APS-C lens on the market today. So to conclude things, if you're a Fujifilm user looking for a new X-mount lens, and you already have a good set of primes, this is going to be a great workhorse option that's going to fit that versatile zoom range with everything in between. You're essentially getting your 24 to 70 lens in this small, compact f2.8 build. I love using this lens out in the field. It works great on a gimbal, as you saw from some of our footage. And overall, it's going to do all the things that you need to do. I think everyone should have this range in their backpack at all times. As a photographer or a videographer, it just covers all the ground that you're gonna need. So I believe the price of this lens is gonna run you at about $550, matching the E-mount version of the same lens. Again, this is going to be a really nice budget option for a lens that can do nearly everything for you. If you have any more questions regarding Sigma's new X-mount lens, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Also check out our full review of the E-mount version of this lens that we have published in the past. I'll put a link to that above. Lastly, please consider leaving a like on this video and subscribing to our channel for more content. And as always, have a good day. Bye-bye.